Homemade coffee cream filling recipe, delicious DIY desserts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to whip up something truly irresistible: homemade coffee cream filling. Whether you're filling cupcakes, eclairs, or even just spreading it on toast, this creamy goodness is going to elevate your desserts to a whole new level. So let's dive right in. Ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Instructions. First things first, we're going to whip up our heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. You can do this by hand with a whisk, but I prefer to use a hand mixer for a quicker and smoother result. Perfect. Now, it's time to add our flavor. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in just a splash of hot water. This will ensure that we get that rich coffee flavor throughout our cream. Next, we're going to add our powdered sugar and vanilla extract to the whipped cream. This will sweeten it up and give it that delicious vanilla undertone. Now, for the star ingredient, our dissolved coffee mixture. Pour it into the whipped cream and gently fold it in until everything is well combined. And there you have it, folks, our homemade coffee cream filling is ready to go. Look at how creamy and dreamy that looks. You can use this to fill cupcakes, spread it between layers of cake, or even dollop it onto your favorite desserts. The possibilities are endless. That's heavenly. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.